Hello, this is Jew. Hey, look what we have here. This is a fairly large 10,000 BTU window AC unit, and this is a window. And since the AC unit will likely fall out of the window without support, we're going to use this universal air-conditioned support bracket to support the unit. That's what we're going to do today. So it does come in a number of parts which we will have to assemble. It does look like some instructions are in here, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have. And there are quite a lot of parts here. It does have a little instruction pamphlet. One thing I kind of like is it has this little level, which is kind of cool. So you can level out the AC unit, make sure it's flat. But I actually may use this in the future. This is kind of handy. It's actually magnetic. So this is kind of handy. And so looking at the instructions, we will start putting this thing together. Okay, so I got these two parts on. Now there's a tie strut that I guess can go anywhere from here all the way here. The picture kind of shows it kind of set in the middle like that. I think that'll probably be okay. So we'll go ahead and take a couple of screws here. Actually, this was the brace gasket, and these are actually the tie struts here that extend out right here and actually hold the unit in place. And so I think we just stick it in here, and there's a little pressure button on a spring that helps you adjust it to the correct size. We'll just go ahead, kind of maybe the fifth one in for now. Now the width of the unit, it all depends on how you kind of want to install it. You could either do it from these sides like that, you can brace it like that, or you can brace it along the inside. And so that's why you adjust this to your preferred size. So you can also brace it inside like that. But it would be, of course, sticking out of the window. So next we want to construct these legs here that support the entire platform, as you can see here. And so here's the parts for those. You need the pads as well, and these longer bolts. Now I did put these on opposite sides, so aesthetically they kind of look like they match. So one will be on one side, one will be on the other side. And I believe you just slip it around, and these legs just slip in here and can be adjusted in and out like that. And so for right now, we'll just kind of put it right here to the first holes, and just temporarily stick in a little bit of a bolt here just to keep it in place, and so we can measure where it goes on the window. So I think I have it fit well. I am supporting it on the window trim here. I did have to adjust the legs a little farther out so they would fit, and you can see how they kind of fit on the side of the outside wall like that. And it seems like it supports. And again, you could just easily slip this thing in and out as you want, just like that. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but it seems like it's very secure. And I think it should hold fairly well. Now it does come with these anti-slip little pads here, which you can just peel this off like that. Make sure that they're all taken off like that. And just affix that here. Actually, let's see if I can move it all the way out. And here's the unit just kind of supporting on it. The unit actually extends from the platform a little bit, and then when I shut the window, it will help support the top. So let's finish the installation. And there you go. I do have to probably put a little more insulation on the bottom because there is a gap there, underneath there, and there. So I do need a little bit more foam. I'll have to purchase that, but I think it looks good. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.